We are too. Demolition companies say they have a big job ahead of them as they continue the cleanup process from the tornado. We've now learned it could take weeks to clean everything up. Our team coverage continues now with Fox 23's Ashley Lincoln. Ashley.
Well, Shay, those crews tell me there's still a lot of stuff to clean up, like this pile right here in front of me. Now, they tell me they're focusing right now primarily on the debris that's left in front of these businesses. But what could take some time is once they go inside of these businesses, what's inside will need to come out.
Sweeping, lifting, and removing is what Kenny Sam says he's been doing in the demolition business for nearly 40 years.
We like seeing the mess, and we like cleaning up the messes.
Sam is the president over a local demolition company.
And when we leave and see how pretty everything is and cleaned up, there's a lot of damage in this area.
He tells me they've been hard at work since the debris has piled up.
Calling employees up and getting them moved on to some projects and stuff and getting things scattered and lined out.
Sam says he's had to double the size of his team to keep up with all of the cleanup projects they're working on.
I normally don't run Traco every day, but I'm out here working with the guys just trying to get things done and make everybody happy.
Because of the wind and water damage, he says it could take weeks, if not months, until all of the debris is moved out.
There's a lot of water damage inside the building and stuff, and there's going to be a lot of stuff that has to be hand removed out of the building and put in the dumpsters.
And Sam says once debris like this is picked up, it's taken to a recycling facility. He tells me what they're seeing is that at night, police are canvassing the area along with private security to make sure looters don't take scrap metal like this to try to steal it in exchange for money. They had a few instances where that has occurred. Reporting live from East Tulsa, covering news that matters, I'm Ashley Lincoln, Fox 23 News.